In this episode, we're going to talk about cash flow and just the basics, just cash flow 101. Because cash flow can become very complicated and very difficult, but I want you to understand at least the basics of cash flow.
Welcome to this episode of Accounting for Small Business with business accountant Georgie Klein.
And you think it should be easy, cash in, cash out, and all that is just all done. But it's not. The cash in, that's easy because that's going to go tie back to all your bank statements and anything that you've taken in via checks, cash, credit cards, and that, and you're going to know exactly what that number is. Cash out, it's a little bit more tricky. Of course, cash out always includes your cost of goods sold or cost of running your business and your general expenses. That's the easy part because you got your income and your expenses and you got your and you have your income, net income. That part's easy, but you always forget what else you did. So, did you take cash out of your checking account and how did you spend it? Of course, we all have member draws, so we're going to take some money out for our own personal needs. And how many times have you used your business credit card for personal use? So you have them kind of things. Oh, you also have payments to your credit cards, and if you have any loans, them payments, all these items are all balance sheet accounts, and you kind of forget about them. So what I've done with some of my clients, yes, you have your income, your expenses, and you have income on your income statement. At the bottom, you have other income and expenses. So for some of my clients that really want to know how much they've spent, under other expenses, I put your personal items. So you have your draws and personal items. So everything's on one income statement. So you have your income, your expenses, and then your personal items. Now, this is not generally accepted accounting practice, but it has helped my clients budget their money better. Now, your CPA will probably go crazy and won't like this, but it's best for you and you let them deal with that. I just want you to know that when you get down to the end of the year, you have X amount of money that you have in profit, and where did it go to? And how did you spend it? And how did you keep track of that amount of money? So you don't go to your accounting person, your CPA, and said, well, I have no money left in my checkbook. Where did all that go? So it's important to know that part of your business also. So hopefully today you have learned a little bit more about educating yourself about cash flow and how and where your money goes to. As you always, thank you for visiting, and you can visit me at my website, my LinkedIn, and Facebook. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching this episode of Accounting for Small Business with Georgie Klein. For more great information, visit her website at bizbygeorgie.com. Also browse the other shows found right here at Columbus Biz TV Shows.